There are days when I get lots and lots done. Love those days. But there are also days when I'm just totally consumed by my phone that while using it or even after using it, I am just totally not mentally persevered or motivated to do anything. Hey, aren't you using your phone a little bit too much? This bitch can't see me. I thought I heard someone tell me I'm using my phone too much. Probably just there. Oh my god, this guy is so stupid. Unbelievable. So today I'm gonna show you what I've done recently, what I've learned to have helped me actually in having a much more organized day, therefore helping me get lots and lots done and helping me have a much more productive, not just busy day, but productive and meaningful day. So you, my friend, gotta be super excited for this shit. This shit is works. Before I share with you that one thing, I first want to make a special mention to Miss Rhea Santos. I wasn't expecting you. Hello, do you want to say hi to the vlog?
What is that?
Look who I saw.
Hi. Always nice to see this girl.
Oh my god, I'm always thrilled to see you.
Good
Do you have a class today?
1:30 with Christine.
Right. Well, here's Miss Rhea. Here's what she looks like without her vlog. It's so dark.
So good luck with your program advising.
Thank you so much. Okay, so if you don't know Rhea Santos, she is a broadcaster in the Philippines. She's been a broadcaster in the Philippines for 19 years, and now she's moved here in Vancouver, and she's studying. She's in my same building in broadcasting, and it's amazing because, you know, she's still willing to learn and to grow personally and professionally. And honestly, I'm making a shout out of her because I admire people like her. And she is truly an inspiration to me because I can just, you know, talking with her, I can see the passion in her and how she still wants to improve for herself, for her family, and for the world. Also, I will plug her YouTube channel here because I'm so proud of her because she is eager to edit her own videos, which is amazing. So it's probably here somewhere, maybe here. Yeah, we'll put it here.
So this is episode 3, The Leap of Your Morning Girl, Rhea.
Subscribe to her channel. She's absolutely lovely. She loves to spread positivity, and I admire her for that. But okay, here we go now. The one simple task that is gonna make a lot of difference in the productivity of your entire day, that is write a to-do list. Making your own sound effects is absolutely. But I say write a to-do list. I know it sounds simple enough, right? But I say write because, you know, if you write something, it sticks. Just before you type it first, just before you make a to-do list from whatever device it is that you have, write it down first because that will help it sink in. Typing doesn't really do much for me. Like sometimes the moment I type it down, I don't think I will ever come back to it unless like I'm super motivated. But sometimes we gotta outsmart our brains. So writing it down outsmarts your brain. I know it sounds simple enough to write down a to-do list. Isn't this like an advice that you've heard in your entire life? But really ask yourself this question: how much of those to-do tasks that you've assigned yourself do you really accomplish for the entire day? If there's not much, then follow through this video because I will show you. I will have a vlog of my entire day and I'm gonna let you into my awesome life. I say awesome because I just want to believe that I have an awesome life. I actually do have a reminder for myself every day. Look, it says, do more of what makes you awesome. I've had this since I was probably 16, 17. I bought it on my birthday. So that's one of my mantras. Okay, so here's how today is going to look like. Well, ideally. After my morning routine, I'm going to read a book, and today's book is going to be The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I kind of plan to chill today, so I'm going to go to my favorite place, Indigo, and get myself a book. And then after that, I have to go to school to do some meetings. The first one is with a career advisor because we have that resource at BCIT, which is great. Just before my next meeting, I'll have free time, so I'll probably chat with my friends and eat. And then I'll chat with one of my instructors to discuss something which I'll share to you later. It takes me approximately an hour to travel back home, and once I get home, I have to do a phone call to interview someone from the broadcasting industry because this is needed for my career exploration just before graduation. And then maybe after that, I'll have time to squeeze in an evening workout since I haven't really done strength training since my flu. Then look at that, I have another block of free time. How nice. And so as the clock hits 9 p.m., I should be away from any device and get ready for bed so I can wake up at precisely 4:45 a.m. the next day. And of course, I'd have to vlog my whole day. So that's already off the list. Okay, here goes a great day. Enjoy.